Well, I gotta say, there's probably nothing worse than hearing that little tick of a broken piece of glass as you're soldering a window. And this is the earth, and it's got a little crack in it right there that happened as I was soldering. So now I have to fix it, replace it. And it's my policy to really work on stuff, get it over and done with quick. So what I've done is I pulled the window over. It's on top of a garbage can as soon as I got this side soldered. So the back side isn't even soldered yet. But I've scored the window, scored the little piece, and now I'm going around. So this window is really kind of wobbly. As I was putting it on, all right, now let's see if I can. All right, I think I can get that out of there now. Huh. It had 2 layers of foil on it right there. Okay, come on.
You'd have to refoil.
Come on, kid. Yeah, I used to really put this off. And now I do it right away.
Maybe there's some deeper meaning that it was the earth that broke.
You know, when I was a kid, I went to Forest Lawn Cemetery, and they made a big deal about the fact that when the stained glass was being made of the Last Supper, the face of Judas broke several times when they were making it. You know, I think that was kind of a kind of an interesting story to pass on. I don't know. I don't even know if it's true. Okay, now let's watch this as I pick it up. See how it bends? And there's the back of it. So now I can just lay it down quick like. And now we can just drop in a new earth. Okay, we'll see if this fits. And it does. Great. So, man, that's sure the way to do it. Just break it out and
Get it done.
get it done. Doesn't some comedian say that?
Get it done.
Yeah. That's Larry the Cable Guy.
Well, good job. The earth is healed.
I had to push that over because see all the crackled places? That's places where the foil got damaged there when I was taking it out. But see, I can fix it by putting extra solder on there and it just rolls right over. Now, how long would you say that took us all together, Jeannie?
I don't know. 3 minutes?
Well, the video's longer than 3 minutes, so it must have been longer than that.
All right. Very good.
All right, well, that wasn't much of a tech tip, but you know, you gotta face it. Any one of us have to do it whenever it happens. So, hope you join us next time. Thanks.